Indonesia, the world's largest archipelago, is a diverse tapestry of over 17,000 islands in Southeast Asia. Home to a vibrant mix of cultures, languages, and landscapes, it spans from the dense jungles of Sumatra to the paradise beaches of Bali. Jakarta, the capital, pulses with urban energy, while ancient temples like Borobudur and Prambanan showcase its rich history. Volcanoes dot the horizon, and Komodo Island is home to the iconic Komodo dragons. Indonesia's coral reefs in Raja Ampat attract divers, and its lush rainforests harbor unique wildlife. This nation of islands is a captivating blend of natural wonders and cultural treasures. Subscribe now to our channel for an immersive journey through captivating destinations, cultural wonders, and thrilling adventures. Hit subscribe and let the adventure begin. Number 1. Tegalalang Rice Terrace, a mesmerizing landscape near Ubud in Bali, unveils a stunning tapestry of stepped rice paddies cascading down the hillsides. Carved into the lush terrain, these terraces boast intricate irrigation systems dating back to the 8th century. The emerald green fields reflecting the Balinese subak system create a breathtaking visual spectacle. Tegalalang is not only a hub for traditional rice cultivation, but also a picturesque destination for visitors seeking the serenity of rural Bali. The scenic beauty, harmonious with the local way of life, makes Tegalalang a captivating showcase of Bali's natural and agricultural wonders. 2. Borobudur, located in Java, is an ancient Buddhist temple and UNESCO World Heritage Site. Constructed in the 9th century, this colossal monument comprises 9 stacked platforms adorned with 2,672 relief panels and 504 Buddha statues. Its central dome, topped by a large stupa, signifies enlightenment. Borobudur's intricate carvings depict Buddhist teachings and Javanese life. Visitors ascend through symbolic levels, representing the stages toward nirvana. Surrounded by lush landscapes and volcanic vistas, Borobudur stands as an architectural marvel, a spiritual pilgrimage site, and a cultural treasure, attracting pilgrims and tourists alike to marvel at its historical and artistic significance. 3. Kampuhan Ridge Walk in Ubud, Bali, offers a serene escape into nature. This scenic trail meanders along the lush Kampuhan River's ridge, providing panoramic views of emerald green hills and vibrant landscapes. The gently rolling path unveils picturesque rice terraces and coconut palms, creating a tranquil setting for walkers. As the trail progresses, it leads to the revered Pura Gunung Leba Temple, adding a cultural touch to the journey. Kampuhan Ridge Walk is not only a haven for nature lovers, but also a retreat for those seeking solitude amidst Bali's captivating beauty, making it a favored destination for leisurely strolls and mindfulness. 4. The Gili Islands, located off the coast of Lombok, form a tropical paradise comprising Gili Trawangan, Gili Meno, and Gili Air. Renowned for their pristine beaches, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs, the Gilis are a haven for snorkelers and divers. Gili Trawangan offers lively nightlife. Gili Meno is a peaceful retreat, and Gili Air strikes a balance between the two. Traditional horse-drawn carts replace motorized vehicles, enhancing the island's relaxed atmosphere. The Gili Islands captivate visitors with their white sandy shores, diverse marine life, and a laid-back island charm, making them a sought-after destination in Southeast Asia. 5. Komodo National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning biodiversity and the famous Komodo dragons. The park encompasses volcanic islands, lush landscapes, and vibrant coral reefs. The prehistoric Komodo dragons, the world's largest lizard, roam freely. Visitors can explore diverse marine life through snorkeling and diving in the park's crystal-clear waters. Rinca and Komodo Islands are popular for dragon sightings, while Pink Beach offers unique rose-hued sands. As a conservation success, the park preserves endangered species and promotes ecotourism, making it a remarkable destination for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a glimpse of these fascinating creatures. 6. Mount Bromo, an iconic volcano in East Java, is a surreal masterpiece of nature. Standing amidst the vast Tengger caldera, it presents a lunar-like landscape with its smoking crater and ethereal surroundings. Visitors often embark on pre-dawn treks to witness the breathtaking sunrise over Bromo, casting an otherworldly glow on the mist-shrouded valley. The adjoining sea of sand and Hindu temple Pura Luhur Poten add cultural intrigue to the experience. Mount Bromo's mystique, coupled with its rugged beauty, attracts adventurers and photographers, offering a celestial panorama and a sense of awe-inspiring wonder in the heart of Indonesia's volcanic landscape. 7. Lake Toba, located in North Sumatra, is a colossal volcanic crater lake encompassing Samosir Island. Formed by a supereruption, it ranks as the largest volcanic lake globally and a geological marvel. The serene lake, surrounded by lush landscapes and traditional Batak villages, offers a tranquil retreat. Samosir Island holds cultural significance with its unique architecture and rituals. The Sipasopaso waterfall cascades nearby, adding to the natural beauty. Visitors can explore the traditional charm of tuk-tuk, enjoy the Batak dance, and savor local delicacies. Lake Toba stands as a picturesque destination, blending nature's grandeur with cultural richness. 8. Een Crater, situated in East Java, is a volcanic wonder renowned for its ethereal blue flames and turquoise acidic lake. The trek to the crater unveils a lunar-like landscape, with sulfur miners hauling bright yellow chunks from the depths. The mesmerizing sight of the otherworldly blue flames at night adds to its mystique. Surrounded by dense forests, the acidic lake reflects a stunning turquoise hue during the day. The challenging hike, coupled with the surreal natural phenomena, makes Een Crater a captivating destination for adventurous souls seeking a unique blend of volcanic landscapes and extraordinary natural phenomena. 9. Tanah Lot Temple, located on the southwest coast of Bali, is a picturesque sea temple perched on a rocky outcrop. Renowned for its stunning sunset views, the temple is dedicated to the sea god, Dewa Baruna. During high tide, Tanah Lot appears to float on the Indian Ocean, creating a captivating sight. Surrounded by crashing waves, the temple exudes a mystical charm. The onshore area offers cultural performances, markets, and scenic landscapes. As one of Bali's most iconic landmarks, Tanah Lot Temple attracts visitors seeking a blend of spiritual tranquility and breathtaking coastal beauty. 10. The Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, nestled in Ubud, is a haven for over 700 long-tailed macaques and lush tropical flora. Spanning 27 acres, the sanctuary encompasses ancient temples, statues, and serene pathways. Visitors can observe playful monkeys interacting in their natural habitat. The forest holds cultural significance, housing Pura Dalam Agung Padang Tegel Temple. Balinese architecture and mystical sculptures add to the enchanting ambiance. As part of conservation efforts, the Sacred Monkey Forest serves as a vital research and educational site. Tourists flock to this sanctuary for a unique blend of wildlife encounters, cultural exploration, and serene natural surroundings.